From the time it was established in 1972, the Public Attorney's Office has consistently served the poor, oppressed, and marginalized sector of the society by rendering free legal services. Through the years, and especially upon the assumption of the present Chief Public Attorney, Dr. Persida V. Reda Acosta, DSD, JD, the Public Attorney's Office has catapulted to greater heights, broadening the scope of the services it could offer and reaching out to minority sectors of society. On its 53rd year of existence, we, the men and women of the Public Attorney's Office Region 7, pledge to continue with our dedicated service to our clients.
Happy PAW Anniversary! Mabuhay ang PAW!
The Public Attorney's Office has stood as a pillar of hope for the marginalized, giving voice to the voiceless, and ensuring that justice is not a privilege but a right for all.
As we march forward, we renew our pledge to remain faithful and loyal to the Public Attorney's Office.
Join the happy crowd. We will march together hand in hand. Forward to work, we are proud. Justice for all in all the land.
Public attorney so dear, justice and reason must prevail for the needy and the poor. Justice for all, our mission in the fore. Public attorneys, legal defenders, we are the guiding stars. We will fight and defend for your name, support your cause and give you faith. Ever true to you.
We are from Mandaue City District Office. Happy anniversary, Public Attorney's Office!
Happy 53rd anniversary, PAW! Justice and service for the people. Mabuhay ang PAW!
Ibati po namin ang Public Attorney's Office, lalo na ang PAW Bayawan City District ng maligayang anibersaryo. Salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tulong sa amin. Dito sa BGMP Bayawan City, maraming salamat po.
Ako si Mary Jane Licos. Dako kayo akong pasalamat sa PAW. Diin ako naka-avail sa ilang libre nga serbisyo. Happy 53rd anniversary PAW. Mabuhay!
Happy 53rd anniversary, PAW! Mabuhay! Happy anniversary from Talisay City District Office. Happy 53rd anniversary, Public Attorney's Office from Cebu City District.
From PAW Cebu City District, happy 53rd anniversary, Public Attorney's Office!
Happy 53rd anniversary to the Public Attorney's Office.
Today, we celebrate more than half a century of unwavering dedication to justice, integrity, and public service.
As we mark this milestone, we honor the countless stories of compassion, courage, and service that define PAW's legacy. May this anniversary serve as a reminder of our vital role in building a just and humane society.
Here's to 53 years of service with heart and to many more years of excellence, integrity, and public trust.
Mabuhay ang Public Attorney's Office!
Happy 53rd anniversary, Public Attorney's Office from Argao District!
Happy 53rd anniversary, Public Attorney's Office from PAW Siquijor District.
Happy anniversary, Public Attorney's Office from PAW Lapu-Lapu City District.
Happy 53rd anniversary, Public Attorney's Office. This milestone is a celebration of dedicated service and gratitude. Gikan diri sa PAW Danao City District Office Region 7, Daghang salamat, Chief Persida V. Reda Acosta. Costa. Magpadayon kita sa serbisyo para sa tauhan. Padayon!
Kahit saan, kahit kailan, anuman ang unos o sakuna ang ikahaharap natin, patuloy na magsisilbi ang PAO sa ikaunlad ng ating bansa